Friday, huh? Yeah, so it was one of those slower Fridays where majority of the time I really spent on meetings with the team, like the end of the week meetings with the team, making sure and checking where they are with the work that was assigned to them on Monday. Chris has finished majority of the stuff, really the stuff that he could finish that hasn't been, that were really depending on just him. He gave some extra tasks to Shivan to finish by Sunday, so on Monday we can actually accomplish the rest of the things that are outstanding on his side. But the general wrap up of the week I will do on Sunday when I will know when the rest of the guys will really update me with everything, because they will be finishing all of the stuff on Saturday and on Sunday. So yeah. Apart of that, because our website doesn't work right now, because we pushed I really pushed the code that I was pretty sure it will work. Because everything was working on my local machine, everything was working on the pipeline as well, everything built, but when it got to the server, it crashed. So, so unfortunately with that code, for past Wednesday, Thursday, and today Friday, I was trying to, on AWS, on the back end of the server, I'm trying really to see what's going on and how to fix it. And the goal over here is that by Sunday I will be able to actually make sure that everything will work. Because on Sunday I need to start contacting all of those investors that I haven't been able to contact the whole week really, because of all of those issues that I have. If you need to know what issues I had, you can watch other videos. But yeah, so that's what I was really fighting with today in between of the meetings. I've also messaged Alan, the guy I've spoken last week, in terms of getting that introduction to different banks so we can build partnerships with them. But he said it's not as easy, and I'm like, yes, of course I know. And I sent him the invitation for, really my calendar, so he can schedule the meeting with me in his convenient time. So we'll see how that will turn out, because he still didn't do that. Apart of that, we had a long meeting with Shivan where we were talking about all of the tasks that he needs to finish as soon as possible, so front-end developers can actually move forward. Not all of them waiting for him, but like Chris is waiting for him, for example. And I think David has left us, unfortunately. I don't think he could sustain any longer to working with us, even though he really enjoyed that. And he was almost crying, I would say, at the end. And he said that he's super, super, super sad. After we had our last conversation, he sent me the message that he's super sad and it's super weird for him to actually leave, and that he really enjoyed working with us. So, but yeah, that's the reality we are having right now, and regardless of all of this stuff, we need to push forward, I guess. Yeah, and that's what happened on Friday today. Thank you very much, and I see you tomorrow.